Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get dark mode on TikTok Android. So in here, I've already on my Android phone and I've already opened the TikTok apps. If you want to use a dark mode on your TikTok profile, here's how you can do it. First, you can just go to your profile, and as you guys can see here, the current mode that I use is a light mode, and if you want to change it into a dark one, you can just click on the three lines icon, three lines menu at the top right corner, then go to the settings and privacy, and here scroll down until you find this display menu. Tap on that and you can see easily spot this dark option. So to get to dark mode, you can just click on this dark. Now TikTok will change automatically like this. So when you go to your profile, now your profile is on the dark mode. So that's pretty simple. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.